Did you know that you don't need to work 12-hour days to make money online? In fact, there are 3 low-effort ways you can start earning cash today without any special skills or experience. Stick around because today I'm breaking down exactly what these opportunities are, how to get started, and where to find high-paying gigs. Let's dive in. The first low-effort way to make money online is through online surveys and microtasks. These are simple tasks that anyone can do, like filling out surveys, testing websites, or categorizing data. Here's how you can make money with online surveys and microtasks. Survey sites, sign up for platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Pinecone Research. Microtask platforms, complete small tasks on platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, or Microworkers. Testing websites, get paid to test websites and apps on platforms like User Testing or Try My UI. The average person earns between $5 to $20 per hour with these tasks, depending on the platform and task complexity. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where you can begin. Here's how you can find online surveys and microtasks. Free resources. Blogs like The Penny Hoarder or YouTube channels like Beer Money offer great tips. Best platforms, Swagbucks, great for surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. Amazon Mechanical Turk, perfect for completing small tasks for businesses. User Testing, ideal for testing websites and apps. Once you're signed up, you can start earning with minimal effort. Now let's explore the second opportunity. The second low-effort way to make money online is by selling stock photos and videos. If you have a smartphone or camera, you can take high-quality photos or videos and sell them on stock platforms. Here's how you can make money with stock photos and videos. Take photos as videos, capture high-quality images or videos of everyday scenes, nature, or unique concepts. Upload to platforms, sell your work on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. Earn royalties, get paid every time someone downloads your work. The average stock photographer earns between 25 cents to $100 per download, depending on the platform and licensing. Want to know where to learn this skill? Here's what you need to know. Here's how you can learn stock photography. Free resources. YouTube channels like Mango Street or blogs like Digital Photography School offer great tips. Paid courses, check out platforms like Udemy, Stock Photography, How to Sell Your Photos Online, or Skillshare, Photography for Beginners. Best platforms, Shutterstock, great for beginners with a wide range of categories. Adobe Stock, perfect for high-quality images and videos. Getty Images, ideal for premium licensing opportunities. Once your work is uploaded, you can earn passive income with minimal ongoing effort. Next, let's dive into the third opportunity. The third low-effort way to make money online is through print on demand. With print-on-demand services, you can design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and sell them without holding any inventory. Here's how you can make money with print on demand. Create designs, use tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator to create unique designs, set up a store, use platforms like Printful, Printify, or Teespring to create and sell your products. Promote your store, share your products on social media, blogs, or YouTube to drive traffic and sales. The best part? You don't have to worry about shipping or inventory. The print-on-demand company handles everything for you. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where to begin. Here's how you can learn print on demand. Free resources. YouTube channels like Passive Income Kevin or Print on Demand Boss offer excellent tutorials. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Udemy, Print on Demand for Beginners, or Skillshare, Print on Demand Mastery. Best platforms. Printful, great for integrating with Shopify or Etsy. Printify, perfect for a wide range of products and competitive pricing. Teespring, ideal for beginners with no upfront costs. Once your store is set up, you can start earning with minimal ongoing effort. Now let's wrap this up with some final tips. Congratulations. You now know 3 low-effort ways to make money online fast. Online surveys and microtasks, selling stock photos and videos, and print on demand. Whether you're a beginner or looking to diversify your income streams, these opportunities are beginner-friendly and can help you build a sustainable online income. Here are some general tips to succeed. Start small, focus on one opportunity, and scale as you go. Be consistent. Show up every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Keep learning. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools in your chosen field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share how to create a winning freelance profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.